Hello and welcome to the tutorial on long video series. So in this tutorial we will be learning about looping statements in Python. So basically we have for, while and do while looping statements. So in this tutorial we will be learning about for loops in Python. So if you guys have knowledge in C about for loop, it works as for is equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, plus plus, printf, see, so and this loop generally prints out the numbers from 1 to 10. As we can see here, the starting variable or the starting value is given to the variable I, root variable I, and the stopping or the ending variable is given. So until this condition matches, or unless this condition matches, the statement inside the loop is always executed. That is, the number from 1 to 10 is being printed out. So how can we do the same thing using for loop in Python? But before that, let's do a basic, like let's store our name or certain string in a variable. So now let's iterate over all the items. Let's iterate over each character within this string. That is, this string has a character like L is a character, E is a character, A is a character, similarly H is a character. So we can iterate over each items, like 4. So you'll not understand now, I'll explain to you later. Item in name. So what this does is, for item in name, so name contains our string which contains a set of characters, and item here represents its character inside the name. So when this loop is executed, what it does is it keeps it makes our item as an array containing a sequence of characters or a set of characters. Like if this item contains, your name contains the whole string, this is string, but when we iterate over this name using the item, it means that individual characters are stored with their corresponding or with their respective indices. Like if we do here, if we print out the items here, what it does is, so see, it prints out all the respective items separately, like for item in name. So at first it stores L in item, it prints out L. So after L is printed out, it stores E, and E is printed out. Similarly it goes until the end of character is recognized. We can also, to make it more clear, let's see. So name contains a string, we can assign an index value, so 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3, that is R. So you will understand this in my later video when I will explain to you about string, family, slicing and indexing. But for now, that's the basic of for loops. And okay, let's print out the number. Okay, before we print out the number from 1 to 10, let's understand a function that is usually, or it is mostly used while printing, mostly used in the for loops in Python basically. So we have a range function. What it does is, it contains the start value, the stop value, and the step. So when we compare these two here, what it does is start value is generally 1, or the initial starting value, and the stop value is the ending value, or how many times the loop should run, and the stop and the step is this one, I plus plus, or by how many steps should it skip. Okay, let's see in the example. For say I in range, okay, start value let's give 0, step value let's give 10, and step of 1. Okay, and a colon, let's print out I. Now what it does is, for I in range 0 means the starting value is 0, 10 is the ending value. That means the loop should start from 10, the loop should start from 0, and it should go until it is 10, or until the value of I is 10, with an increment of step 1. That means the value from 0 to 10 will be stored in the loop variable I. So when we print out I, we'll get all the values in a similar manner. That means it doesn't exactly go to the step value we have mentioned, but rather it goes to the step to the value stop minus 1, that is n minus 1. Let's say 10 minus 1, that is 9. And so okay, we can write this statement in a if we are increasing our value with step 1, we need not mention the step. That is, it is by default the increment value is always 1. Okay, similar. We can do the same thing another way also, like let's get rid of, so if the starting value is 0, we need not mention the starting value too. So if we keep only the ending value, what the range function does is, so it always starts from 0, and it looks the stopping condition, and it goes to the stopping condition minus 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, what if I do range 4 to 20 and step value of 3? Okay, so what it does is, when I do print I here, what it does, the start value, this loop sees the start value as 4, that is the first value that is being printed out will be 4, and the stopping value is 20, but here the stepping condition or the step value is 3, that is the start value should be 4, and it sees the stepping value here, then it adds 3 to 4, that is 7, the next value that will be 7, and it goes on until it is less than or equals to 20. Okay, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, similar manner. Okay, let's print out the odd numbers from 1 to 15. Okay, so what should be the stepping value here? And then the odd numbers are 1 3 5 7 9, so each have a stepping value of 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, so we keep the stepping value here 2. Okay, so let's print out. Right, so why didn't we get 15? Like I said before, it does not exactly go till 15, it goes till 15 minus 1. The stepping value is always 15 minus 1. Okay, so if you need 15 also, you can do okay, that's pretty good. So if you are following my tutorial, and this should be a good to go for you for loops. So okay, let's see one more thing here. You have A as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is a list. I have already explained it in the previous tutorials. So for items in A, what I will do is I'll iterate over the list items here. Okay, I iterate over each of the list items here. That is A. A contains all the list items. So the items is, what the items contain here is its individual element from the list. Okay, so when I print items, what it does is it prints out each individual elements in separate lines. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. If you have any queries, please comment, subscribe my channel, please like my video. Thank you.